Sab,
Ah,
anong gusto mong ulam?
palaya at saka fish.
Okay. Tara, lutuan natin si Mami Gina.
Okay.
Iprito mo ng isda.
Selekta, baka naman. Poy?
Tada, tarotado.
Kala mo ice cream, no? Surprise! Ako ay okra, ayaw sa akin kasi malagkit, pero lumulunok ka ng mas malagkit sa akin?
Aming tanging ina! Mahal namin siya! Mula nang mabiyuda sa tatlo kong papa, pati maging ama, ay pinapilan ko na sa anak kong sandusena. Diyos ko po nakakaloka, ang aming tanging ina! Aming tanging ina! Mahal namin siya! Mabiyuda sa tatlo kong papa, pati maging ama, ay pinapilan ko na sa anak kong sandusena. Diyos ko po nakakaloka, ang maging tanging ina. Aming tanging ina. Mahal namin siya. Getting pangaba.
Parang may naamoy ako hindi maganda.
Bading!
Ngayon, luto naman tayo ng ampalaya. Tara.
Kamot ganito! Sa'yo pa ganon? Ano ka nagbibidyo?
A few moments later.
Tara, kain na.
Okay.
Kain. Tara. Tara guys, kain na tayo.
Ampalaya, witig. Tawilis. Okra. Tara.
Mommy! Daddy! Something is pushing me down! I'm not ready to leave! No, please! I want to stay inside! The water is cold! It hurts so much! My hands are melting! Help me! They are getting closer! Look at those giant teeth! They are going to eat me! Mommy, I am so scared! Its mouth is so big! It's gonna swallow us whole! Swim! Swim faster! Daddy, get up! We need to go! Please, stand up!
I can't move! I am stuck! Run!
Mommy! Who are they? Why are they chasing us?
Don't look back! Run, son! Don't let them sit on you! My sweet boy, don't cry! Save yourself! I love you, my little stinker!
No! Don't leave me alone! Please! The sun is so warm, I'm drying up!